So when there's stress in the body, when you're experiencing stress and it says, danger, danger, there's danger here, the body says, well, it's all right, we don't need to make as much because you've already trained it to do so. Now there's a big difference, right, between us and our caveman forefathers, because the caveman, after the danger was gone, they kind of moseyed on back to the cave. Everything was back to status quo. But in our society, we are constantly bombarded with stuff. Traffic, jobs, stock market, stuff on the news, right? So we get all these stress factors coming to us, and fight flight kicks in, and it goes unused. And when it goes unused, it becomes very toxic, and it has to go somewhere. So it usually ends up in our stomach, where it becomes stomach ulcers, or heart disease, or IBS, or high blood pressure. So it's very vital that you move. It's not just to look good, but this is what we were designed to do. We're not trees. Trees are immobile. They're rooted into the ground. They don't have fight-flight, so when a little animal comes and wants to eat them, they can't run. Well, they really don't care, right? They're just trees, and it's probably a good thing because there's an awful lot of traffic anyways. We don't need trees running around, right? So people, though, are designed to move. That's why you have joints. Did anyone come out of their mom's womb like this? No. You have joints. You move, right? Remember our great-great-great-great-grandfathers